What's up, everybody? This is Officer PJ's, aka Andy, coming at you guys with a new video. Today I'm just cleaning my PC because it's been over a year and I never cleaned it once, and honestly it got really dirty and it's kind of gross, so I think it's time to start cleaning it. I know this isn't my normal gaming stuff, but as I said last video, I'm trying to drift more towards a tech channel. That's what I really want to be doing with my time, but you know, I'm still gonna be throwing some gaming in there, so don't worry about that. I still have some more videos coming up. I'm actually going on vacation in 2 weeks, so there's not gonna be any videos in 2 weeks. There's not gonna be another video for another 2 weeks. So I promise before I go, I'll have another video out for you guys. It's probably gonna be me switching my Nintendo Switch dock from the original Nintendo dock to a third-party one, but it keeps the same internals. It's just a whole thing. I'll make a whole video about it. You guys will see. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Check out the channel though, and let's get into it. Alright, so this is it. I'll put all the specs up right now. Let's take this side panel off. See what we're working with. Oh. Alright. So look, as you see here, we have a Cooler Master upside down. Might have to fix that as well. An upside down Cooler Master CPU thing, but yeah. These are both pushing the air in, not pulling it out right here, so we gotta fix that. Oh, why hello there. I'm editing PJs, and I just wanted to say that I actually have messed up in this. This is what I currently have, and here you can see that we're bringing cold air, but we're exhausting it through the sides and the top, and it's not where it's actually supposed to be going. This is what we thought that we wanted, where we had the air pulling the heat from the inside out. But again, it's in the same thing with the cold air bringing it from the fins where we don't want it. And so what we want is actually air passing through with the push-pull. So air flows through, bringing in cold air and exhausting hot air. Yeah, so I just wanted to stop in here and just say thank you for understanding. And I'm still going to continue with it throughout the videos, and you're going to watch it. So, thank you. I actually just want to clean it because if you can see how dirty. Look at that. Oh, dirty, ew. So yeah, this thing has never been cleaned. I can only imagine what the dust filters look like. So yeah, we're gonna actually try to add my SSD right here, then add another hard drive in there because my SSD is actually just sitting in there. Ew, look at that. My SSD is actually just sitting in there. So it's just like waving around. So yeah, do want to fix that. Yeah guys, so let's get into it. So if we come here, let's see, we're running at a max of 53. And yeah, so that's honestly not that bad. A little high. It's a little high for running. We got a score of 2913. Alright, to actually check if these are in push, because pretty sure they are, but I just want to make sure. So you go here. Whoop. There we go. Is gonna fit? Yeah, these are. Wait. Is it pushing? Whoa. Well, the bottom one for sure isn't. I don't know if this one is. How would I test that? Alright, let me go Google something real quick. Just like this. Alright, so see, this is the CPU fan. Now we can turn it back on and really test. If you look that, there is an arrow. If you look real close in there, you see those? So yeah, there is an arrow, meaning that we have to flip them. Easy fix. All we gotta do is take these off, put them on the other side. So, and we're gonna try working these cables a little bit better. I don't know if I have cable ties though, so we gotta check that first. Alright. Okay, I missed it, but it's alright. So I'll take it off of here. Grain of rice method, so that might have been a little bit too much. Alright, it's all good. Alright, so we got it on, but oh my god, was it a struggle. We still gotta tighten everything up. But god damn, I didn't understand. I didn't think it would be that hard, but for some reason they made it so like I had to put the back plate in while putting these on, putting these two screws, all four of these screws on, while also keeping this in the middle because this isn't attached to this. So confusing. I can't believe that they did that, but whatever now. Just tighten everything up. Oh, I just totally shifted that. Alright, there we go. We have some managed cables. Yeah, it's looking actually pretty good. There we go. Cool, I think it's looking good. Alright, so now the next thing to add is the SSD up here and the hard drive back down there. So, let's... Actually, yeah, we're gonna go blow this out right now. That's fine, right? And then we got all this. Yeah, pretty nice. I gotta get another fan. Didn't realize I didn't even have one. So yeah, what we're gonna do now, this is a little crooked, piss me off. All right, some sag. So what we're gonna do now is, I already took this off. I have this here and it's gonna be dirty. I didn't clean it, but yeah, so this is the SSD that mount that goes right there. Yeah, so if we go to the back, we can see here, if we come right under here, there she is down there. Hold on, let me get her. She's being shy. Look at her, right down there. And yeah, super unorganized, really messy. So yeah, we're gonna try to fix this. How is gonna be a problem with all these cables, but we'll manage. Nice. All right. Is this one screwed in? That one's screwed in. All right. So I have a power cable right there, waiting to be used. All right, and I could just, wow, I had everything in here. Can you guys see this? Yeah. So I just had this stuff in here. Oh no, oh no. Definitely the wrong way, except it wasn't. Oh, okay, we're in. Cool. Had a little, put in a little muscle. So next what we're gonna do is take this out because I hate this being here. Oh my god, so sad. This is upsetting. Okay, I need to take this out. I need to take this out. Okay. And what I want this one. So this I need to figure out a way. So you can see that we have the power cable in it now. So now what we need is the actual SATA cable. Let's start her up. Alright, so theoretically what we're going to do is turn the PC back on and it's going to be running fine and we'll have an extra drive. Look at that, the fan's working properly. Let's see, we got that fan running, that fan running, that fan running, that fan running. So far so good. Let's go check out how we're doing over here. Alright, why isn't this? That's worrisome. Oh, maybe not. Ooh, that's worrisome. Huh. Alright. For some reason it wasn't coming up my first and my second monitor, but hopefully this changes. Oof, okay. After a very stressful 5 minutes, it just turned back, it just went to, alright, it was just stuck on that screen. I didn't know what to do. And we got it over there. Boom. Alright, so let's go and check. So, if we come down here, this PC, look at that. 908 gigabytes free. So this is where I'm gonna start putting my videos. Alright. So let's see what we get in Cinebench. $49. And wow, we got a worse score, but the temperatures are cooler, and that's what matters. The Cinebench should change every time. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty good. I'm glad with that. And we got the thing. And the PC is looking great. Look at that. So thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys like this type of video. I'm using my new, you see that? It's a new gimbal for my phone. Yeah, so I'm using this, and just tell me how the quality is in the comments. If you like it, if you don't like it. I'm gonna be doing another video on my computer right after this, so go check this. This one's gonna be first, and then go check out the next one whenever that one comes out. Appreciate it again, guys. Go check out the rest of my things, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.